Hey there, I'm Brixter, and welcome to 10 Bricks a Day, where each day I share how to build a brand new Lego model using only 10 Lego pieces.
Alright, here is our crane truck, which begins a new themed week. This week's theme is construction equipment. So this is a pretty simple build with this front section here. We use this piece with clips on both sides to resemble treads. Then the actual crane arm is built using this fire hose piece. First, before we have this clip, we have this small Technic spacer, and then the clip there that just attaches on like so. Oops, just like so. Then we have this other clip piece here, and finally this pulley kind of piece, like winch here, that just hangs down like so and completes the model. So please let me know what you guys think about this down in the comments below.
Please remember to leave a like below. Thanks so much, and I will see you guys again tomorrow.